Third and final duel of the night. Let me go 3 for 3. First duel 1, second duel 1, third duel. We end off with a victory. And we're doing Omega. Back with another ranked match. Win or lose, I post. If you're new and like to see more videos, please subscribe and hit the notification bell. Thank you all for subscribing. If you want to duel me, be in the video, or want to see the deck list, see the description for more information. Enjoy the rest of the video. Let's link into the frames. Round 1. Dude! Okay, who do I get here? This is just... go for... I think I go for Zeta. I think I go for Zeta. No wait, I don't even have a ritual to ritual summon. Go for Alpha, I guess. That would make sense. Go for Alpha. Don't even have a Drytron to oh wow. Thought I did. Don't even have a ritual or a Drytron. That's great. Eva. If I do Eva. Wow. That's not good. Literalist. In defense. Doing it. He's thinking hard. If he times out, great. So I noticed that FPS was like at 30. This is the maximum resolution. You can't go to whatever K this is. Yes, timeout again. He is afraid of Lyrilisk, assembled nightingale. Timeout. Yeah, he is. He's gonna time out. If he makes a play now, he'll probably just still time out. Yes. Timeout. Let's do this from timeout. Perfect. What the heck was that? I did went up though. I went up 10 because last time I was at 1273, and that's it. That's the third game of the night. I won by timeout. Comment, share, like if you subbed it, sub if you liked it. See you guys.